Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to set a schedule in Zoom meeting with no time limit. This is particularly useful when you need to host lengthy sessions like training workshops or all-day conferences without worrying about time restrictions. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once the page loads, sign in using your credentials. Make sure you're entering the correct email and password associated with your Zoom account, as this will grant you access to all the scheduling features we'll be working with today. After logging in successfully, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll find the navigation menu. Click on Meetings. This section is where you'll manage all your scheduled and upcoming Zoom sessions, and it's the central hub for creating new meetings. Now, in the upper right corner of the screen, you'll see a button that says Schedule a meeting with a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up the meeting creation form where you can customize all the details for your session. The first field you'll encounter asks for a topic. This is essentially the name of your meeting, so type in something descriptive like employee meeting or whatever title suits your purpose. This helps participants identify the meeting when they receive invitations. Next, you'll need to set the date and time for your meeting. Use the drop-down menus provided to select when you want the session to begin. Make sure you choose a date and time that works for all participants you're planning to invite. Here's where things get important. In order to enable a Zoom meeting with no time limit, you must first upgrade to Zoom Workplace Pro. The free version of Zoom restricts meetings to 40 minutes when there are 3 or more participants. Since I'm using a free trial account for this demonstration, I'll show you the workaround that's available on the free plan. Even on a free account, you can enter a long duration to indicate how long you expect the meeting to last. In the hours and minutes fields, type in something like 24 hours. While this won't actually remove the time limit on a free account, it helps communicate to participants that this will be an extended session. Below the duration settings, you'll find the time zone selector. Click on the drop-down menu and select your preferred time zone. This ensures that everyone invited to the meeting sees the correct start time based on their location, preventing any confusion about when to join. Once you've configured all these settings, click the Save button at the bottom of the form. Zoom will process your meeting details and generate all the necessary information for participants to join. On the confirmation page that appears, you'll see your meeting details along with an invite link and the meeting ID and passcode. Copy these details by clicking the copy buttons next to each one. You can then share this information with your participants through email, messaging apps, or your company's communication platform. And there you have it, you've successfully scheduled a Zoom meeting with your preferred settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.